Welcome back to Digi.AI.Velocity, your ultimate source for everything AI and technology. Today, we're exploring a fascinating tool that's changing the landscape of creativity, Midjourney. This AI platform is revolutionizing how we think about art. Let's dive into the wild world of Midjourney and uncover its impact on art and human creativity. Let's begin. Midjourney is taking the art world by storm, creating breathtaking, thought-provoking images with unprecedented creativity. But Midjourney is not just about generating random pictures, it's pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in art. From surreal landscapes to hyper-realistic portraits, Midjourney's ability to generate art with such depth and precision is truly groundbreaking. At its core, Midjourney is a machine learning model that's been trained on a massive dataset of images. This training allows it to recognize patterns, adapt to new inputs, and learn from its mistakes in real time. It's like having a digital collaborator that can generate fresh ideas and bring your wildest imaginations to life instantly and at scale. One of the coolest features of Midjourney is the ability to generate images based on text prompts. Just type in a few descriptive words, and voila, you've got a beautiful piece of art that matches your idea. This process gives you incredible creative control. You can ask for an image in the style of Van Gogh, or request a futuristic cityscape with flying cars. With Midjourney, the only limit is your imagination. While the possibilities of Midjourney are vast, it brings up an important question. Can something created by a machine truly be considered original art? Is AI-generated artwork simply a clever imitation of human creativity, or can it be classified as true art in its own right? These are valid concerns, but also highlight the incredible potential for AI to augment and enhance human creativity, rather than replace it. There's also the complex issue of copyright. Who owns the rights to an AI-generated image? Is it the person who gave the text prompt, or is it the AI system itself? This leads to an array of legal and ethical questions around authorship and ownership in the digital age. With AI-generated art becoming more popular, these issues are increasingly important for artists and lawmakers alike. Another question worth considering is the role of human artists in this new landscape. Are they being replaced by machines, or are they being empowered to focus on higher-level creative tasks? I believe it's a bit of both. AI tools like Midjourney can automate some of the more mundane tasks of creation, but it's the human touch that brings emotional depth and originality to any piece of art. AI is best seen as a collaborator, not a competitor. The potential of AI-generated art goes beyond just visuals. It can influence fields like advertising, film production, and even gaming. Midjourney allows creators to explore new styles, experiment with themes, and discover entirely new ways of expressing themselves. This opens up a new era of creativity where humans and machines work together to push the boundaries of what's possible. But the question remains, can an AI truly create something that resonates with us on an emotional level? Interestingly, the answer seems to be yes. I've seen images generated by Midjourney that have left me speechless, images that evoke a sense of wonder, fear, or joy. It's the thrill of discovery, the excitement of exploring something unfamiliar. This emotional connection is what makes Midjourney so revolutionary. It's not just about the technical precision of the images, but about how they make us feel. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI like Midjourney will play an increasingly important role in the art world. But will human artists become obsolete, replaced by machines that can generate masterpieces at lightning speed? I don't think so. Instead, AI will augment human creativity, giving artists the freedom to focus on conceptualization, storytelling, and emotional depth. So, is Midjourney the future of art, or just a clever imitation of human creativity? In my opinion, it's a bit of both. While AI can replicate surface-level aspects of art, it's the human touch that adds that extra layer of depth and meaning. But one thing's for sure, Midjourney is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible with art, and that's something to be excited about. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of Midjourney. Be sure to share your thoughts on AI art in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Digi.AI.Velocity for more explorations of AI and the future of technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.